Welcome back to 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Okay, right here, 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Here we go. We are with Mary again. Last time we met her was in Richmond. It was in her kitchen, so today it's in my kitchen. So what are we gonna make today?
Green bean salad.
Green bean salad. Then we're gonna mix with, again, we're gonna use yellow seasoning. Bumbu kuning is turmeric, garlic, and galangal. So this is one of her favorites too. Yes. Last time we used this with your salmon.
Yes, yeah, and I'm still using it with my salmon. It's awesome.
Then you're gonna get a goodie bag after
Yes, I am.
Right.
I hope so.
All right then. So we're gonna start.
Okay.
First, we're gonna strain this, right?
Strain.
Okay. One can there. Then.
No, ready?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now let's mix all this up.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right.
1/4. And so it's half. Okay. 1/4 plus 1/4 is half, right?
Yes.
Guys?
Yes.
Half. No, 1/4.
Yep.
Ta-da.
Stir that
Then
up real good.
You have salt. Half cup of salt. No, it's not half cup. Half teaspoon. All right. This is half teaspoon.
Okay.
Okay. Then you have your black pepper already, salt, sugar. Sugar. How do you want the sugar? You want a 1 cup, 3/4.
Let's do 3/4.
3/4. Already sweet, so we don't need a lot of sugar. Okay.
Yeah, this is plenty.
Let's blend the sugar.
Plenty.
If you want more sugar, you can always add later. Then vinegar. You need half cup of vinegar.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna do 1. Okay, guys, this is half cup. And then what else do you need? You're gonna need oil, right?
Yes.
Oil, you're gonna need half cup too.
I think it's a half cup.
Yes, half cup of oil. So, guys, half cup of oil. Any certain oil that you use, you can just use vegetable oil.
Yes.
Okay, vegetable oil. 1 half cup. Okay.
Now, since I've got this in here, you might want to add a little bit much sugar.
Sugar more? Okay, let's do sugar.
Want to taste it?
You want to taste this first? Here. Yeah.
A little bit more sugar.
A little more sugar?
A little bit.
Like, let's do 1 spoon. Okay? Okay, 1 spoon, guys. That?
Yep.
So now, all of the ingredient is already mixed here. So now we gonna infuse Indonesian taste to
We're gonna
this.
step it up to
Yes. Let me check first.
Aha.
Bueno. It's very good.
Very good.
But the best way to eat this is what? 24 hours later?
Yes.
We're gonna
It
keep
needs
in
to
the fridge.
chill and get it to infuse in the.
Okay. Okay. It's kind of like pickle-ish kind of taste. And then we're gonna add some Indonesian herbs. Okay, guys.
Absolutely.
So you choose the yellow one, right?
I did choose
We have turmeric, we have garlic, we have ginger, we have galangal, we have lemongrass here. So we will see how's the
I
taste.
choose this because it's never let me down when I'm cooking in my kitchen.
Okay.
So you cannot go wrong.
Show them.
With this one.
What is that?
Awesome.
It's
You
the
read it
bumbu
for me.
kuning or yellow seasoning, guys.
And I've tried it on many different recipes and they all come out delicious. Absolutely delicious.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Do you want to taste?
Yes. Let's taste.
Now, what you taste now
Yeah.
will taste different in the morning.
Yes.
Because it's infused. Everything's come together.
It's gonna even taste better, right? Yeah, because it soak all of the herbs, soak all of the taste there. Yeah, it's always be like that. Excellent.
Superb.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
See?
Do we have to put that in the refrigerator? Can we start now?
Yes. Okay.
Really good.
So that's it, guys. Very simple, very fast, less than 5 minutes when you have all of the stuff already here. There you go.
Can't imagine the change it makes.
You like the changes?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
That's what I was saying. It was
Okay,
really
so
good.
it works then.
It does work. Very good. Very good.
Okay.
Awesome. Yes.
So good. All right then. So, thank you so much for watching. Go to 17,000flavors.cooking, buy the seasoning, and try this at home. Okay? Try this at home.
It's
You're gonna
delicious.
have 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Make the world tastier.